Yeah, we're gonna get destroyed. Let's freaking go! Go, son! Oh, freaking hell! Freaking hell! The river!
Wow.
Brother!
Oh.
I'm drenched.
Oh, bro, look at that. That was just a quick run. Wow. That's a good bit. You expect me to get shit in the shops? You want to